Hey, what is happening, YouTube? It is the Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another great video. So this is the second part to the removal and installation of the paddles on the Toro Power Clear 821 QZE. This also applies to the 621 and 721 models. They're all pretty much similar and done the same way. I did take the new paddles out of the package, and check this out. So here, this is the wear indicator. Once this is all worn down, the paddles are technically worn out and no good. These are now the extended life paddles that you see here that I'm showing you, of course. Now take a look at the difference in the thickness between the standard life and extended life paddles. You also see that the material is a different color here than this whitish material. This is like a rosy gold type material. Way thicker paddles, so this is going to be a lot better for throwing snow, for longevity, and it's just a lot tougher material. So this is awesome. So let's go ahead and get the installation part started. It is kind of chilling down outside. It was in the mid-50s, and then the winds changed direction drastically, so hopefully I'm gonna get this done real quick. And it's just the same as the removal, but now I'm just doing it as the install. So they give you nice hardware to put in it, all brand new stuff, looks great, and we're gonna just put it in there and off we go. So we open up the bag here. Those are our nuts that they gave us, so that's cool. Toro always does a great job. A couple more nuts here. Country of origin, Taiwan. I thought it said made in the USA on the front. That's probably the paddles themselves, but yeah. We got those brand new, and then we've got other parts that are here as well in the bag. So it looks like we might have to press, we're going to probably have to press in these holes for the center part of the paddle, but let's just get the paddles in and we'll do the center part last. Alright, so there is a part number on here that they etched on here, but I don't think that really matters. We're just gonna go and put this in, and we're gonna just slowly get this started. Alright, let's try to get these in as easily as possible. Alright, this is probably gonna take more hands than I have, but that's okay. You'll have to bear with me, guys, as I open up these packages of hardware. We're still using a T25 and a 7/16 wrench. And we have to press these in, because otherwise they're not gonna, I don't think they're gonna go in very easily. Okay, we got one in. Number 2 went in. Okay. Now it's just all about securing them to the machine itself. It's a little bit of work, guys, but not terrible. And these ones go into the center, so that way when you put these cross brackets on to hold the center of it in place, so that way it doesn't slip and you don't tear something or break something. That's always important. So this is a lot of the pre-work that has to go in before you can install, and that's okay, because nobody really shows you that you got to do this or that they come factory pre-installed. It's just all part of the learning process for everybody. Make sure that they're pressed all the way down and in, so that way they don't come out of there. We don't want to have issues later on when we're blowing snow or something, or these things rip and tear away. So I think the extended life paddles are going to be a lot better in terms of reliability and usage, just because this machine does have a lot of power, and that's what you got to always make sure that you're looking at when you are looking at those kind of aspects in this application. So I'm trying to get the holes lined up here, and I just almost knocked over the camera again. So opening up these other ones, these nuts, and these two are threaded so that they're able to lock, as you can see right there.